Imagine a city-sized object so dense that just 1 teaspoon would weigh 6 billion tons. Sounds absolutely impossible, right? Well, welcome to the mind-bending world of neutron stars. These cosmic monsters are literally the most extreme objects in our entire universe. But here's the crazy part. They're smaller than Manhattan, yet contain more mass than our sun. How is this even physically possible? What dark secrets do these stellar corpses hide? Friends, write in the comments where you're watching us from and hit that like button if you want to know what's the most surprising and unexpected thing about neutron stars. Today, we're diving deep into one of the universe's most terrifying and fascinating phenomena. Trust me, by the end of this video, you'll never look at the night sky the same way again. So what exactly happens when a massive star reaches the end of its life? Picture this: a star 20 times more massive than our sun, burning through its nuclear fuel. For millions of years, it's been fighting an epic battle against its own gravity. Nuclear fusion pushes outward, gravity pulls inward. It's the ultimate cosmic wrestling match. But here's where things get absolutely terrifying. The fuel starts running out. Without that outward pressure, gravity suddenly becomes the undisputed champion of this cosmic fight. What happens next is so violent, so catastrophic, it defies human comprehension. The entire core collapses in less than 1 second, faster than you can blink. We're talking about something the size of Earth crushing down to just 12 miles across. Imagine squeezing our entire planet into the size of a small city. That's the scale we're dealing with. But wait, it gets even more mind-blowing. The density becomes absolutely insane. Normal matter as we know it completely breaks down under this crushing gravitational pressure. Electrons get smashed into protons, creating an ocean of pure neutrons packed impossibly tight. This is where neutron stars get their name. They're essentially giant atomic nuclei. 1 cubic centimeter of this stuff weighs as much as Mount Everest. Can you wrap your head around that? If you could somehow bring a sugar cube of neutron star material to Earth, it would weigh about 100 million tons and instantly crash through our planet. But here's where the story takes an even more incredible turn. These stellar zombies don't just sit there quietly, they spin like cosmic lighthouses. Some neutron stars rotate over 700 times per second. That's absolutely bonkers. Imagine something more massive than the sun spinning faster than a kitchen blender. The surface of these objects moves at nearly 20% the speed of light. And the magnetic fields? They're trillions of times stronger than Earth's magnetic field. These magnetic fields are so powerful they could erase every credit card on Earth from the moon. But here's where things get really strange. And this is where most people's minds explode. The gravity on a neutron star is so extreme that it literally bends space and time. If you somehow survive getting close to one, time would slow down dramatically for you. While 1 minute passes for you near the neutron star, hours could pass on Earth. It's like nature's own time machine, warping reality in ways that seem like pure science fiction. And if you think that's wild, wait until you hear about what happens to light itself. Light gets trapped, bent, twisted like it's caught in an invisible cosmic whirlwind of pure terror. The gravitational field is so insane that light literally orbits the star multiple times before escaping. This creates something called gravitational lensing. You can literally see the back of the neutron star. It's like having supernatural vision, seeing around corners through the pure force of gravity itself. But wait, there's something even more mind-blowing that happens when neutron stars aren't alone in space. When two neutron stars find each other, they begin a deadly dance that shakes the universe. Friends, write in the comments where you're watching us from and hit like if you want to know what's the most amazing and unexpected thing about these cosmic monsters. These cosmic titans spiral closer and closer, releasing energy that defies human comprehension. They create ripples in space-time itself, gravitational waves that travel across billions of light years. These waves are so subtle that detecting them required the most sensitive instruments ever built. When LIGO first detected these waves in 2015, it confirmed Einstein's predictions from a century ago. But the real fireworks happen when these neutron stars finally collide in cosmic Armageddon. The collision creates temperatures hotter than the core of the sun times a billion. In that single moment, more energy is released than our sun will produce in billions of years. And here's the absolutely incredible part that changes everything we know about our existence. This cosmic catastrophe creates and scatters the heaviest elements in the universe: gold, platinum, uranium. Every piece of gold jewelry you've ever worn was literally forged in neutron star collisions. The platinum in your car, the uranium in nuclear reactors, all born from these cosmic monsters. We are literally wearing the remnants of the most violent explosions in cosmic history. But neutron stars have one more incredible secret that makes them even more mysterious. Some neutron stars become pulsars, cosmic lighthouses spinning hundreds of times per second. These pulsars are more precise than atomic clocks, keeping perfect time across the universe. Their timing is so perfect that we use them to navigate spacecraft through the solar system. Each pulsar has its own unique signature, like a cosmic fingerprint broadcasting across space. Scientists have even found pulsars with planets orbiting them, worlds of unimaginable extremes. Imagine living on a world where your star is a city-sized ball of pure neutrons. The radiation would be so intense that life as we know it couldn't possibly exist. Yet these pulsar planets exist, proving the universe creates worlds beyond our wildest imagination. And here's what makes neutron stars the ultimate cosmic mystery that haunts physicists worldwide. We still don't fully understand what happens inside these impossible objects. The core might contain exotic matter that doesn't exist anywhere else in the universe. Quarks might break down into even stranger particles we haven't discovered yet. Some scientists think neutron stars might be gateways to parallel dimensions. Others believe they could contain the secret to understanding dark matter itself. What we do know is that neutron stars represent physics pushed to the absolute breaking point. They are laboratories where the laws of physics are tested in ways impossible to replicate. Every neutron star observation teaches us something new about the fundamental nature of reality. So the next time you look up at the night sky, remember this incredible truth. Somewhere out there, ancient stellar cores are spinning, pulsing, and warping space-time itself. These cosmic monsters are the universe's most extreme physics laboratories operating in total silence. They forge the elements of our existence while keeping perfect time across cosmic distances. Neutron stars prove that sometimes the most incredible truths are hiding in plain sight. They remind us that we live in a universe far stranger and more beautiful than we ever imagined. And the most amazing part? We've only just begun to unlock their deepest mysteries.